Let us observe the sky. The dark night. Look at this image. The children here are observing the sky at night. You too can observe such a view. On a dark night, several shining bodies are seen in the sky. Some of them are large and bright, while some are small and faint. If we observe these shining bodies carefully, we find that some of them twinkle, but others do not. The shining bodies which twinkle are called stars. Stars have their own light. The sun. The sun that we see in the sky is also one such star. Compared to other stars, it is very close to us, and so it appears much larger and brighter. Its light is so bright that we cannot see other shining bodies by day. Planets. Those shining bodies in the sky which do not twinkle are called planets. Planets do not have their own light. They get light from the stars. Planets revolve around stars. Our Earth is also a planet. It gets light from the sun. The Earth revolves around the sun. Satellites. Small heavenly bodies revolving around the planets are called satellites. Like the planets, they too receive light from the stars. At night, we see the moon in the sky. The moon revolves around the Earth, and so it is known as the Earth's satellite. Of all the heavenly bodies, the moon is closest to the Earth. That is why it appears very large.